During my years with young kids in the house, I turned to Keurigs for speed and convenience, but our family has gotten rid of plastics. These pour-over solutions have become much more appealing. They're actually quite simple. The set comes with 50 unbleached cone-shaped filters, and you do need the cone shape that slide directly into the Borosilicate glass filter, specialty glass known for high thermal resistance. I then use the included 1 tablespoon scoop to measure in usually 1.5 to 2 tablespoons, depending on how much coffee I'm making, into the top of the glass filter. There is kind of a silicone stopper at the top that holds everything nice and snug together. Here I'm pouring over about 1.5 cups of hot water, and as you can see, it just goes directly through the filter and then pours through the bottom, just like a traditional drip coffee machine, but it's a single serve. That glass filter holds about 20 ounces, and it can make up to 3 cups or 600 milliliters, depending on how much coffee, tea, etc. you would like to make. And cleanup couldn't be simpler. You simply remove that paper filter, throw it away, and wash the 2 glass pieces, let them dry. I used 350 milliliters or 1.5 cups, and it made just shy of that. The paper does absorb some of the water. The whole unit's about 7.5 inches tall, 5 inches wide, so it's easy to store in a cupboard, and the bottom carafe is about 4 inches tall. This is a walnut wood base. It keeps the top filter in place with a silicone section. Everything stays nice and tight. Just a smart design, and it also comes with this glass lid as well. So once you finish making the coffee, it keeps the remaining coffee nice and warm without letting the steam escape, but it's also super easy to pour it out when you're ready. So here is a freshly made cup of coffee, and it pours just like a standard coffee maker does. It's just a smaller size for single serve. Nice, rich cup of coffee, delicious to me. I also loved how well this thing came packaged. It does come with the 50 natural filters, as well as everything double bubble wrapped. So you have an outer bubble wrap feature, as well as an interior double wrap that is designed for transporting the glass. Obviously, this is that filter that comes preset with the silicone adapter and the walnut base. It's quite beautiful in person. It comes apart quite easily and then goes back together. I do not wash the wood. I only wash the glass parts. And here is the wooden 1 tablespoon measuring cup. Obviously, you can use your own. It also comes with this kind of a textured sponge that's really ridged to match the ridging of the top of the glass filter. I don't know if you can see those. Yeah, there you go. So that's kind of convenient. I don't find it necessary, but it's nice to have should you like it. And also the glass base also comes double bubble wrap. In general, proceed with caution and wisdom that this should arrive as projected. It's a nice gray glass color, beautiful in person. Super pleased with the construction of that. And let me see if I can show you the glass lid up close. It also has kind of a silicone seal, so it stays nice and tight, but also very easy to wash and clean. Just well thought out design. So overall, if you love the taste of a quality coffee at home but don't want the mess or bitterness or plastics, I think this is a really smart invention. It's the gray pour-over set, and instead of the drip machines or the pod brewers, this allows you to have full control over your brewing. Hope you found this helpful. If so, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this one.